So, good morning, trainees. Welcome to TUP Manila, the Center for Technical Arts. This is a TESDA accredited training center. So, by the way, I am Mr. Jarius Villarreal, and I will be your trainer for this training program. So, before we go to the proper orientation, please raise and let's start our prayer. Before I start, let me first check the attendance. So, please present to me your admission slip once I call your name. Mr. Alburan. Mr. Arbolado. Mr. Nicolas. So now, let's start our proper orientation for the competency-based training for animation NCQ. So here is our agenda for today. So let me first present you our mission and vision. So the university shall provide higher and advanced vocational, technical, industrial, technological, and professional education in training in industries and technologies, and in practical arts leading to certificates, diplomas, and degrees. So it shall provide progressive leadership in applied research, developmental studies in technical, industrial, and technological fields, and production using indigenous materials, which are the effects of technology transferred in the countryside, and assist in the development of small and medium-scale industries in identified growth centers. So for our mission, a premier state university will recognize excellence in engineering and technology education at par with leading universities in the ASEAN region. So here are our rules and regulations. So as we did earlier, our attendance and dress code, time management, avoid disturbance, and our workplace. So now let's move on to our CPT principles. So we have 10 CPT principles or curriculum-based training principles. So the first one is the training is based on the curriculum developed from competency standards. So our fifth one is training materials are directly related to the competency standards in the curriculum. So for our last principle, training programs are nationally accredited or registered within the Unified Event Program Registration Accreditation System. So let's now move on to our roles of the trainer and roles of the trainee. So for the roles of the trainer, I am here to facilitate, to provide guidance, and to provide feedback regarding your works. So your role as a trainee is to accomplish what is required, to present the performance task, to monitor his or her own accomplishment, and to be responsible. So in this training, we will be using the CLM or competency-based learning material. So it has information sheets that contain learning activities, self-checks, and immediate assessments. So it also has answer key and immediate feedback of your self-check, and it also has operational sheets, task sheets, or job sheets to practice your skill and performance criteria checklists, which will be used to assess or evaluate your performance. So we also have monitoring tools. So first is our progress chart. Achievement chart. This chart is a chart used to monitor the required for our project. So in evaluation, assessment is based on in the collection of evidence of performance of work to the industry required standards, and there will result of assessment competency or not yet competent. So this is our workshop layout. We have our practical work area, learning resource area, institutional assessment area, and our computer laboratory. So do you have any questions or clarifications? If not, I will now administer the pre-assessment. So what you have there is the self-assessment checklist and data gathering tool for training characteristics. So this will help me to determine your background, competencies, or experience, and your knowledge towards the certain competence. So I will give you 2 minutes to accomplish the forms. So please read the instructions carefully. You may now start. Okay, are you all done? So, may I have your paper, please? Thank you, ladies. So now, you may have your paper. So, welcome back, trainees. I have here the result of your pre-assessment list from the evidence that I have gathered. So it seems that Mr. Nicolas has been prior learning of this qualification. So please speak up the more. So good morning, trainees. Let us first check your attendance. Mr. Alburan, Mr. Albolado, and Mr. Nicolas. So let's to those who have prior learning, please submit to me your evidence. So here is the CBLM. So please read all the information sheet starting from 1.1 to 5. Answer the subject, compare your answer key, practice the skill using the task sheet and judge. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I am very willing to assist you in your demonstration and progress. So, Mr. Alboran, you have performed the task within the standard requirements of the qualification. You can get your national certificate of the competency from the TESDA provincial office. So, look for Mr. Toriano. Good morning, trainees. Please stand and let us ask our guidance from our leader. So, once I call your name, please say present. Mr. Josh Alburan, Mr. Kenneth Albolado, Mr. Justin J. Nicolas. So, for today, Mr. Alburan, you can proceed to our institutional assessment area. So, time's up. Yun yung nasa evaluation form. Once I call your name, please come here and the rest may go. I'll call you later after. Mr. George Alburat. Based on your evaluation form, I can say that you are confident enough for this program. Congratulations. Can you come in, Mr. Arbolado? The same goes for you. I can also say from your evaluation form that you are competent enough for this program and congratulations. Lastly, Mr. Nicolas. So, I am sorry to say, but based from your evaluation form, your performance is not yet competent for this training program. But you please retake the training program as soon as possible.